Ballyrashane was founded in 1894 by two of the local ministers. It has 100 plus farmers who bring the milk here as it is a cooperative society.
Ballyrashane have been a customer of ours for over 4 years now, since they converted to natural gas back in 2010.
We do upwards of 100,000 litres per day of milk. We do upwards of 100 tonne of butter per day, and in cheese we make about 8 tonne of speciality cheese per day. And the plants are running 7 days a week. Our butter product travels from Malaysia to the Falkland Islands. One person that happened to be on a boat trip called at the Falkland Islands, and the first thing he seen was a pound of Ballyrashane butter, so he thought he was at home. The factory here will be using a megawatt of power. Part of that is used through our anaerobic digestion, where we are making our own power from products that the farmers grow for us. The pipeline would be within 2-3 kilometres of our site here, and through the efforts of Firmus and ourselves we were able to get a direct pipeline to the facility here, and from that we set up the boiler house and are now running all our steam generation is using natural gas from Firmus.
Firmus have provided a natural gas connection so that they can run all their processes on natural gas. Prior to that, they were using heavy fuel oil.
We are a big supplier to M&S, so all of the milk for Ireland is made here in Ballyrashane. M&S are very big on their trying to reduce their carbon emissions, and with the gas, etc., it was our first step on a long journey to cut our emissions to where we would be seen as one of the top green companies for M&S.
Initially there were the savings financially, there also were the carbon savings, and for them that was very important because they do put a lot of importance on being a green company. So that's what we try to do. We brought the natural gas pipeline out to Ballyrashane specifically for them. Our business is based on identified loads, so when we initially sat down with Ballyrashane, it was a partnership approach. It took a lot of planning. They obviously had their own downstream pipe work to think about. They got different quotations, and we did our best to try and help them through that process along with our engineers and sales team.
With natural gas, etc., we are able to get upwards of 90% efficiency from our boiler plant, which is about 30% more than what our ordinary boiler plants would have given us.
For them to be able to translate their savings into CO2 savings, that is very important for them.